This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well?
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck!
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang!
You got it!
We got the generator.
We did that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try
I hate broken.
We're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Ability! We have him contained, but not for long. Yes! Buddy's perfect.
It's Epcot. That guy who names these things.
That's great, right?
My song!
I got your song.
Oh my god, my mouth is so dry. Thanks, Darren.
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?
Oh my god.